Okay, everybody, so welcome back. This is Ian from Mindful Marketplace. It's the 22nd of September, 2022. And really quickly, I wanted to make a quick video on some of the really cool and creative ways that you can use Flodesk. This is the email automation tool. I'm recording this while I'm hoping my three dogs don't go bonkers, which I think is about to happen. So bear with me if they do. But essentially, what we're going to do here is I'm going to show you how to use Flodesk to create really cool and colorful landing pages for your your brand, your business, your MVP product launch. It's really, in a sense, I mean, Flodesk has evolved into this really cool tool that's a combination of multiple tools. So obviously, you have email automation, you have newsletters. I mean, all this stuff here. This is a newsletter that I sent today to 1,832 people, and I'm going to show you how this newsletter can be turned into a landing page that's really beautiful. It's really stylized, and it's a great way of optimizing your conversions. And in addition to, obviously, this is an email that went out to my list. You have workflows, which Flodesk does really, really well as well. You can see this one here has, let's see, I think it's down here. It shows you the metrics. Whenever I do these videos, things are really, really slow. So this is the subscriber count for this particular workflow. This is these are the folks in the workflow. This is the total people who've completed the workflow. And, I just have a lot of different versions of these that you can see through here. So if we go with this one here, has 36 subscribers. They've all completed the workflow. These are all just different lists. Let's look at this one. 984 subscribers. 3 are currently in the workflow. 981 have completed it. And again, this is distinct and different from the newsletter, which goes out, or the broadcast emails, which I was just showing you a moment ago, which go out on a one-off basis. So really, when I have something to share, that's when a newsletter or a broadcast goes out. When you set up an automation, those emails go out in a sequence over a period of time that you decide when you set up the automation. And again, the last thing, and I've done some videos on this for our private community as well, but Flodesk has just released checkouts, which really turns this whole entire software into an alternative to something like Podia, or an alternative to any kind of e-commerce setup that you may have, WooCommerce, Shopify, Gumroad. You can now use Flodesk to sell products. All right, so we're going to cover all of that in some different videos in October, but I want to show you really quickly how you can take this particular video, this particular email, and turn it into a landing page. So if we look at the email real quickly, no, I don't want to do that. I don't want to go into the... Let's see if I look at if I view it in a browser, you're going to see the email that just went out to my list, right? So this is what it looks like. And it's an offer to write a book with us in October as part of our Mindful Marketplace LMS community, course community, where we're going to be writing books together over the course of 90 days. And this is an invitation to those 832 people to join us, right? But one of the things that you can do with all these emails that you send out, and it's amazing how many people don't realize this, you have a lot of things that you can do here in these options, which are great, but you can get a shareable link. You can copy that link, and if I just paste that link here, this is a landing page now that lives in the world that I can just drive traffic to. So you can actually use these sorts of emails as really cool landing pages that are going to really amp up your conversions. I mean, I would be hard pressed to create this sort of landing page using WordPress or HTML or any other tool, simply because I'm not a designer. And I can just you can do the same thing with this here. So all of these, let me see if I go into another screen so you can just see how cool this can be. And they have all these really great templates. So let's look at this one for an example. Let's view this in the browser. And this isn't, quite as good. Like, I don't like this one as much, but that's a landing page that looks pretty damn unique. That actually is not even mine. This is actually for someone else in our community who I'm, working with and who teaches for us, and I'm creating landing pages for her too, right? But I mean, you have these little animations. It's just cool, right? And these products lead to different Gumroad products, et cetera, et cetera. Anyway, you can do all that through Flodesk. It's really easy. And we're going to be covering a lot more of this in our private community in October. If you're interested in signing up for Flodesk using our Mindful Marketplace affiliate link, please do so below and then let me know. Send me an email, mindfulmarketplace@gmail.com, and I'll share with you some, really kind of fun and creative ways to build your list and to create content that you can use to build your brand and your business. Teach what you know, do what you love, wake up the world with your work. Thank you as always so much for watching, and feel free to ask questions if you have them. Thanks.